Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Hey, I've got a public service announcement for all of my subscribers and anyone else that happens to watch this video. Did you know that YouTube is broken? Yeah, that's right. Statistically, out of all the people that are watching this video right here, only 20% of you are subscribers. Yeah, there's something wrong with that because this channel is growing. We're getting a lot of new subscribers, but the problem is those new subscribers like yourself aren't finding the rest of my videos because YouTube isn't showing them to you. It's no longer good enough to simply subscribe to a channel because YouTube's not going to show you that channel's videos. No, what they want to do is, let's say late last night you were bored, you were sitting on your couch and you were watching cat videos. Or maybe you were watching a video with your cat. YouTube is going to then start showing you more videos of the things that you were just watching because they think that's what you're interested in. When in reality, you might be interested in seeing more content from eBike Reviews and Adventures or one of the many other favorite YouTube channels that you have. But they're not going to show you that. They're only going to show you what you're interested in right here, right now. So whatever you watched last, you'll notice they'll keep promoting those types of videos. So over here at eBike Reviews and Adventures, Amanda and I are working real hard to produce great content for you. We put out another video, and even if you are a subscriber, you may not see that video. You're going to keep seeing cat videos or whatever else it is that you've been watching recently, and you're going to miss a lot of our content. Statistics are showing us that that is exactly what happens because only 20% of our subscribers watch our videos. Now you can get around that by visiting our channel page often or simply clicking all notifications when you do subscribe. So right down below this video where you see the subscribe, unsubscribe button, if you hover over that, you're going to get an option to get notified. And if you click all notifications, when we produce a video and launch it and stick it out there for you to view, you will get a notification saying, hey, there's a new video that you can go and upload, or hey, there's a new video that's been uploaded and you can go watch it. And it's not just our channel I'm sharing this about, okay? It's all of your favorite channels. Go and do that and you'll start seeing more of the content that we're producing and you're not going to miss it. Now, for all of you who are not subscribers, 80% of you just kind of filter in, you catch a video once in a while and you leave. Well, whatever it is that brought you to our channel, it must be e-bike related. And I tell you what, we've got content for everyone because we've got e-bike reviews, accessory reviews, we've got riding videos, we've got maintenance tips, we've got a whole bunch of content that we work hard to create for you. So if you just happen by and you see this video, take a moment, subscribe, and click all notifications. Come back tomorrow and see if tomorrow's video is something you're interested in. If not, that's okay. Pass it by and go watch another video that you are interested in. Maybe it is a cat video that you're interested in tomorrow, right? But the point is, subscribe, and then you have the choice. You have the choice of whether or not you're going to watch a particular video and not let YouTube make that choice for you because you have no idea whether it's even out there or not. So make the choice, you make that determination, make sure you subscribe, make sure you select all notification, and hey, we hope to see you more often on our channel, and make sure you comment down below and give us some feedback. Make sure you like those videos, and when you like a video, YouTube will share more videos with you about that as well. Hey, I hope you enjoy this. We hope to see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe.